Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by conditioning the clay. Knead the white and black until flexible so you can shape without cracks. Once done, roll a 25-30 mm white ball for the body and a 15-18 mm white ball for the head. This ratio keeps proportions natural. Make 2 small 5 mm black balls for ears and 4 6-7 mm black ovals for limbs. Use the blade to trim and the ball tool to create gentle indentations where pieces will meet. Next, you assemble the face and limbs. Press the head onto the body at a slight forward tilt so the panda looks attentive. Blend the seam with a small tool to hide the join. Place flattened black ovals for eye patches, then press tiny white cylinders for the snout and add a 1.5 mm black nose. This creates depth and a cute expression. Attach ears and limbs by scoring contact points. Make sure to support limbs until the clay holds its shape. Then refine. For finishing, use smooth seams and refine details. Use a damp brush or a little water to erase fingerprints and soften transitions. Once satisfied, place your panda on a flat tray and bake according to the clay brand, typically 110–130 degrees C for 15–30 minutes, because correct temperature cures without burning. After cooling, sand tiny imperfections and add matte varnish if desired. Troubleshooting tip: if parts separate during bake, recondition matching clay,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.